Hey, this is Byron, the Stock Master, and I promised to keep you updated on the stock market. Today is 7/17/2025. Today is a Thursday. The Dow Jones is up 197 points. The Nasdaq is up 170 points, and the S&P 500 is up 31 points. Okay, I want to talk about this stock I was telling you about called MP Materials Corporation. That stock, you should have made a boatload of money out of all the videos I have put out about that particular stock. Right now, the stock is breaking even at 58.37. Okay, it's about even today. A little bit down, a little bit up. It's going back and forth. But the last few days, that stock been rocking and rolling. And give me your opinion on that. Let me know if you have noticed that stock, which I which I have preferred. It's doing very well. I kind of explained to you why it's going up already. But every stock comes to an end. Every stock will start to decelerate, start to go down. So I hope you made a lot of money in that stock. I don't have another stock pick for you right now, but when I do give a stock pick, I want you to make money. I just don't want to boost my ego and just give you a stock and try to get another stock correct in desperate situations. No, I want to make sure that you make money when I get a particular stock. So definitely subscribe, like, and share my video, please. And I will have a stock for you. I don't care how much money. I don't care how much money you have. I don't care if you're famous. I don't care if you're rich. I don't care if you're poor. I will give you a stock where you're going to make money, and I do not want anything, not anything in return, nothing. I just like helping out people. Please excuse my voice. I have a little bit of a cold. But I just like helping out people, and I'm like 99% on all my videos. I say this. I'm like 99% correct most of the time. I know stock trends, so definitely subscribe, like, and share my video so I can make money for you and your family. So that stock particular, I'm trying to see any news on it today. One second. Stay with me. I'm trying to see any news on it today. Okay. Okay. MP Materials is maintained at a hold, according to one analyst. Okay. MP Materials stock drops despite higher price target. It dropped early this morning, but it came back to even itself out. Next news: MP MP Materials agree on U.S. DoD. Apple reduce operational risk. Okay. And then the final one is it's the one of the most looked at stocks today. That's just a rough draft on MP. But that stock was doing pretty good. But right now, I do not have another stock for you. I am Byron, the Stock Master. But I will have another stock for you in a couple of days. So definitely watch my videos. And you can research my videos too to see my last few videos, how I've been really producing and talking up MP Materials. The letter M as in Mary, P as in Paul. I've been talking about that right there. Now, a little bit about the stock market and how you get started. I have a lot of people, that ask that question. Like I said on my previous videos, first of all, get an online brokerage account. Then I got some questions about what's a good online brokerage account. like 3 videos ago, I recommended Fidelity, Charles Schwab, E-Trade, Ameritrade, and it's another one too, like 5 of them. But just all you gotta do is Google it and see if it's a 5-star particular broker. There's so many out there. I mean, but if you want a really quality one and one that's been out there for a long period of time, those are just some suggestions that I think that you'll be satisfied with. And when you get that broker, just make sure that they do a margins account. Margins means that whatever money you put in there, they will double it, but just for buying power. You don't get that money in your pocket. You get it for more buying power, and make sure they don't charge anything. It's very simple. And then just watch my videos and I'll tell you what to invest in. Now I had another question that said, and this will be quick. They said, Byron, I have all that money in there and I do not know what to invest in. It's amazing how money burns in your pocket. That is real. I'm serious. They got that money sitting there. I said, just don't invest. Wait for a good stock, wait for a good opportunity, or wait for my video to come out and then invest. You have to have patience when it comes to stocks. If you got $30,000, $40,000 in the stock market, you don't need to move that money. You don't need to take a risk because you can lose so much. I'm serious. I can't emphasize that. You can lose so much. So just have patience. Wait for me to suggest a particular stock for you, or somebody that you trust that knows the stock market very well, so you will not lose money. As simple as that. So I got those two major questions out from some of my people that invest with me, and some people that want to invest with me. But those are some helpful suggestions when it comes to the stock market. I have many more. I'm serious of what particular things you look at to pick out a particular stock. I'm gonna put that on my next video. But please, like I said, like, subscribe, and share my video. And I promise to do the best I can for you. Nobody knows when a stock is going to go up. I don't care what company it is. Nobody knows. But certain people study it like me, know the trends like me, But we do the best we can, but we do make mistakes. Yes, we do. We're human. As simple as that. But please give me a chance. That's it. I'm going to see you in my next video about the stock market from the Stock Master.